So now in this video we're going to look at another way to protect a 2 volt forward voltage LED. It'll probably be red from 12 volts right there. A bit high of a voltage for powering an LED. When you just have one resistor setting the current, it gets pretty hot. So usually it has to be somewhat high value to keep the current low so that it doesn't overheat. But here we got 2 of them in series right there. They're 330 ohms of resistance. So that current has to go through both resistances there. So ultimately, the resistance adds up to 660 ohms as far as the circuit's concerned. Again, 10 volts gets across the 2 resistors because of the 12 volts. Since they are equal value, they will divide that voltage in half right there. So we'll have 5 volts across each resistor. So there's a lot less voltage across a resistor in this case compared to just one resistor would have twice the voltage. So we got 5 volts, and since it's 10 volts divided by 660 ohms, 15 milliamps of current, we got 15 milliamps of current. You multiply them together, that's 0.075 watts. That's below 0.125 watts is what you want to stay below if your resistors are a maximum of 0.25 watts, a quarter watt resistor.